Welcome to Lesson 1 of our free A1A2 English course. Today's mission: master English plurals in just a few minutes. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to make almost any English noun plural. Let's get started. Most nouns in English form their plural by adding s. Like the word car, it would become cars by just adding an S. But when the word ends in S, double S, SH, CH, X, or O, it takes ES at the end. So the word bus, it would become buses because it ends in S. And the word dress, as it ends in double S, it would become dresses. It would become dresses. And the word brush, because it has sh sound at the end, it would become brushes. And the word torch, it would become torches because it has ch sound at the end. And the word box, it would become boxes because it has x at the end. And here you will notice that all these words have an unvoiced ending. Unvoiced ending is a sound that you don't use your vocal cord to make it. So here we add is, dresses, brushes, and you find yourself adding an extra syllable to the word to make it plural. But the word tomato is a voiced sound, but we put es at the end for it. But here we have some irregular cases for words that end in O, like the words radio and piano, and the word photo and video, and rhino and hippo. So to make it easier for you, we will put it in 3 categories. And here we will put all the audible things, radio and pianos, and all the visual things like photo and videos together, and the animals hippo and rhino together. And these words are the most common words that end in O, and we put ES to them. And about this one. Let's talk about this word, which is boy. So you will find that the word boy has O before the Y. O is a vowel. If you don't know the vowel is 5 vowels in English. It's A, I, E, O, U. So if you have any of these 5 vowels before the Y, so you will not drop it and you will keep it, you will just add an S. So here it will become boys because here we have a vowel and we don't need to drop the Y. It will become boys. But for this one, strawberries, you will find that there is a consonant before the Y. So in this case, we just drop the Y and we add I instead of the Y, ES. So it would become strawberries that way. And other words that end in F or FE, we drop them and we add V instead and ES. Like the word leaf, it would become leaves, and the word wolf, it will become wolves. However, if the word has an F at the end of it, and there is a long vowel like this with double vowel, so here you will not drop the F. You will keep it, and you will just add an S, because there is a double vowel here. So here you would just add an S. And also when you have double F at the end, you don't drop it, you keep it. You just add S instead of adding VES. Also here, we will talk about the adjectives. We never pluralize adjectives. We keep them as they are. So we will say happy, pretty, clever, smart, girls, boys, kids, and so on. And we just pluralize the noun, but we keep the adjective as it is. So here we will check our understanding through this small exercise. So here we have the word lemon. It would become lemons. But about the word bus, how it's gonna be? Yes, great job. You would just add es to the word because we already have an unvoiced ending, bus. So it would become buses. And the word peach. So, yeah, so this is a peach. Yeah, if you don't know it, this is a peach. So it would become peaches. You would add also es because we have an unvoiced ending at the end. Ch. And also the word cherry. Here we have a consonant before the Y. So we will drop the Y or keep it. Yes, we will drop it and we will put IES instead because we have a consonant before the Y. And about this word, roof. Yeah, here we have a double O before the F. So it would become roofs with just an S. We will not drop the F, we will keep it. And about the word fox, so this is an unvoiced sound, so we will just add es at the end, and it will become foxes, like boxes, and so on. And about the word glass, also it's unvoiced sound, so it will become glasses with es. And the word key, yeah. So here we have a vowel, the same like the word boy, so we will keep the y and we will add just an s. And the word piano, yeah, it's one of the irregulars. So here we will just add an S, no ES here, piano. And about the word potato, yeah, it's the same like tomatoes. We add ES to potato and tomato. And here about the word ball, yeah, we will just add only S. It's a regular word, the same like car. So just an S and the word book. So here we will add S to it, okay? So it will be books. And all I hope that was helpful. And if you care about extra support and extra worksheets, so you can join our community for only $5 per month, and you will get all these perks and more. لو محتاج دعم أكتر وإكسترا worksheets ومتابعة في الواتساب والتليجرام، تقدر إنك أنت تنضم لمجتمع التليجرام أو واتساب بتاعنا فيما يوازي $5 أو 250 جنيه مصري كل شهر.